With more than 20 years' experience on packaging printing, Guangdong Dongqing Plastic Packaging and Printing Company Limited specializes in producing flexible packaging pouches and roll films for automatic machine. Our main products are stand-up pouches with spout or zipper, as well as PVC shrink sleeves and cup sealing film. In 1993, Mr. Danny and Mr. Ching, who are brothers, established this factory together. With 4 production lines of 8 13 colors high-speed rotogravure printing machines, lamination machines, bag-making equipments, as well as strong technical capabilities and the advanced management systems. Our exporting revenue has become the #1 in Chaoan, where is famous for packaging products. Our products have been exported to more than 40 countries, including USA, Mexico, Libya, Turkey, Cameroon, and Pakistan. We passed ISO 9001 Quality System Authentication, SGS, BV, and QS Food Packing Safety System certification. Our company is also awarded the title of China Top Supplier. Our principal policy is aiming at perfection, advancing the quality step by step, completing selling services, and considering consumer in the first place. Whether your order is small or large, simple or complicated, we always strive to meet our customers' needs. Mr. Danny, owner of this company, can discuss with you in English directly for your packaging request. Please don't hesitate to contact us. You will find that we are your long-term business partner in China. Warmly welcome to our factory.